Let's move to the other big story. Bajaj Finserv, of course, is going to be in focus because it's finally happened. After 26 long years, Bajaj Finserv, along with the promoter entities, has decided to buy out its insurance JV partner, Allianz. Yash is here with a lot of the details. Big news coming in last evening, Yash.
Well, absolutely. And you spoke about 26 years. Those 26 years have had its ups and downs when it comes to, Allianz wanting to increase, not being able to increase its stake in both life and general insurance entity. But finally, the news is out. Bajaj Finserv and its promoter companies will be acquiring that entire 26% stake from Allianz in both general insurance as well as the life insurance entity. First big takeaway out of this particular transaction, as far as valuation is concerned, both sides, on the general insurance as well as life insurance side, the valuation is quite fair at which the transaction has happened. On the life insurance side, at about 1.84 times trailing, price to emerald value, and on the general insurance side, 4.9 times price to book value. So fair valuation as far as the transaction is concerned. Out of the 26% stake in both general and life insurance entity, Bajaj Holdings and Investments would be acquiring a major portion of that stake of about 19.95%. Bajaj Finserv, another listed entity, will acquire about 1% stake, and Jamnalal Sons will acquire about 5.04% stake in both life and general insurance entity. As far as the funds which would be used to acquire this 26% stake is concerned, for the life insurance entity, Bajaj Finserv and promoter companies will pay 10,400 crore, and Bajaj Finserv and promoter companies will pay about 13,780 crore for the general insurance stake.
Amidst all this, Bajaj Finserv, etc., will be in focus. The other stock which should be in focus is Jio Financial Services. Because there were news reports that, because you read Allianz's statement as well. They're saying, well, we will use these proceeds
to reinvest in the market.
And they're very much committed to India. They will stay in India. And who knows, maybe, and there were reports suggesting that maybe, Jio could look at, because this transaction was long in the making. Now this has happened. Will they tie up with Jio? What would be the equity partnership? I mean, we'll have to wait and watch, but I think certainly the stock should be in focus.
Totally. The other thing is that while the stock of the last 1 month has been underperforming, just this month, in the month of March, it's up 6%. So some part of Street was sussing that. And the other part is also there could be passive flows coming in Jio Financial Services, because this is the next nifty entrant as well. So we'll keep an eye out on both Jio Financials as well as the stocks that Yash mentioned.